Picture this. You're standing at the edge of the universe, staring into complete darkness. No telescope, no experiment, just your mind and a piece of paper. You ask yourself, what's really out there? And two very different thinkers step forward to answer that question.
Hey everyone, I'm Mahmood, and this is Mind Blown Science, the place where we turn big scientific mysteries into clear, exciting stories. Today, we're following two characters on a journey to understand reality itself, the theoretical physicist and the mathematical physicist.
First comes the dreamer. He looks into the darkness and starts drawing equations, not because he has proof, but because his imagination tells him the universe must follow hidden rules. He writes symbols that describe invisible waves in space, curved time, and massive objects collapsing into black holes. Long before anyone could detect them, his equations whispered their existence. This is theoretical physics, bold, creative, and brave enough to describe a world no one has seen yet. Then comes the guardian of logic. She studies the dreamer's equations and asks a simple but powerful question. Does this really work? She takes every symbol, every assumption, and tests it with the strict language of mathematics. No shortcuts, no guesses, only proof. If the dream survives her tests, it becomes part of solid knowledge. This is mathematical physics, precise, careful, and unbreakable. Together, they walk the same path. One imagines the shape of space-time, the other proves that the shape makes sense. One predicts black holes and gravitational waves, the other builds the mathematical foundations that make those predictions trustworthy. Whether we're talking about black holes, quantum computers, or the very fabric of space-time, every breakthrough is born from this partnership. Imagination opens the door. Mathematics makes sure the floor doesn't collapse beneath our feet. And that's the story of how the universe is understood, through the courage to imagine and the discipline to prove. I'm Mahmood, and this is Mind Blown Science. If you love stories where equations become adventures and the cosmos becomes a puzzle, you're in the right place. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next journey.